Extra lessons outrage. Strong objection from some parents and a word of caution from principals to teachers offering extra lessons for up to $1,500 per session. Me hear about classes, madam principals and sir principals, for much more than this.
Plenty much more.
Yes, in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic and the resumption of the new academic year, a number of parents say that in order for their children to close the deficit of fewer classes, since schools were shuttered in mid-March, teachers are proposing extra lessons at a cost very few of them can afford. The parents who have apparently spoken out have asked to remain anonymous, clearly, owing to the fear that their children may be penalized as a repercussion. So, essentially, teachers are saying there's a gap, we will fill it for this money. Parents are already under pressure, and so they're speaking out. Apparently, the concerns were raised and shared at a recent virtual Gleaner Editors Forum. Teachers are being warned against ad hoc extra classes. They're being advised that the framework should have the stamp of approval of key teacher stakeholder groups. I don't know, Nev. I mean, I don't know.
Strange.
I don't know.
I think the teachers are suggesting that they have to bring some of the kids back up to speed. But some of them can't even afford the regular things for school, much as to find money to pay for extra lessons.
It's not just because of the classes that were not able to be held. It's also the fact that Zoom does not provide the kind of interaction, the kind of,
it's tough to teach.
So even in the event where there are parents who have the access, they're still trying to find teachers who can show up their kids because they're not getting the kind of attention.
But they can't afford to pay.
I just want to know what's happening with Pep. Can somebody tell me? Can you have a friend who you can ask?
No, but
Call the big boss. Let's pick up the phone and call.
I shall.
Just tell me
later on, tell me what you need to know.
All right. Great. Thanks.
All right.
Appreciate it.